Hello guys, welcome back to the fifth video of this tutorial series. What we'll be doing in this fifth video is to add a navigational bar to our navigation. Right now this is our navigational area. We don't have any content in it, so right now we'll be adding a simple content to it without really having to do any CSS programming or whatsoever, though we'll have to tweak it a little, but Dreamweaver will be doing that for us. Right now let's just go back to the code view. So in the code view, this is the div ID for the menu itself. So if I write anything right now, if you go to the design view, you see this is it. The content is right there in the div menu. So right now let's remove it, then go back to our design view. What we want to do right now is to insert a sprite menu bar into it. So you can go to insert, under sprite, select a menu bar. Right now it's going to ask which type of menu bar do you want. We need an horizontal one, so we'll just go with that option selected. So wait for it to come up. Well, our navigational bar has come up, but right now if you look at it, what you see is item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, and this arrow shows this is a drop down menu, and this is also a drop down menu for item 3 and item 1. So right now let's just go ahead to work on them individually right now. So for the first item, I'll click on this sub menu section and use the minus button to erase them. So I'll just have item 1. Right now I'll name it home, then give it an index.php link as it's linked to index.php. Then for the second one, I'll just call this, let's call this gallery. No, let's call it something else. Services. We'll call it services.php. Remember, all these links we are creating, we're going to be using them. We're going to make pages for each of them. So for this third one, I'll call this web design. Call this web design. Then for the sub menu, I'm going to remove this. Let's delete both. Then for this item 3.1, I'll call it PHP, and then call this PHP.php. Then for the second one, I'm going to call it HTML. So we're going to call it HTML.php. Then for the last one, give it CSS.php. That should go. Then for the last one, let's just call it about us. Call it about.php. Then let's add one more to this. Let's change it from untitled item to contact us. Now call call this contact.php. That should be just it. So right now we've done all this, so let's save and see what is happening at the back end. Hold on, save all instead. There we go. So let's refresh this. There you go. Now this is the link. They are all working perfectly, but right now there's a problem. If you look at it, our link has a color that is not really matching our navigational menu, and this color is what we want. As for the link color, the over color is okay at this point, but we need to work on this. So right now what we need to do is go back to Dreamweaver. So start working on that right away. So on this link, right now we have blue and white here. For the background we have blue, the color we have white. That is really not what we want right now. So if we are to change this color to this, for instance, and we save all, let's see what is going to happen here. Nothing has happened. So let's just click on this instead of this color. Now we need to move. Let's go to the CSS and click on all. Minimize this, go to the sprite menu, and let's start locating each of them. This is the easiest way to locate each of the menu item. Now you have the background. For this A is black, then for the background itself is this ash. So if we select this, there you go, our background has changed. Then for the color itself, let's give it a white. That should do better. Now let's save all and refresh again. Refresh now. There you go, our menu is working perfectly well, and this is a good way to do it without really knowing about its CSS parameters. So right now our menu is working, and if we click on each of this menu we have here, it's going to tell you page doesn't exist. That's because we've not created the page yet. So let's just go back to Dreamweaver and make one final correction. I want to make this text sorry about that. What we need to do right now, you can go to the code view and just get all that done with. Let's apply a strong tag to that. So this is just what we need to create a navigational bar. So see you in the next video.